Hey guys, I'm super excited to finally show you my roller kit. It'll be coming out soon. Here's the modular kick instrument. And here's the modular snare instrument. You got a whole bunch of percussive patterns here. Here's a jungle shaker. And then we have 8 modular bass instruments that you can use as call and response. I have a bunch of patterns here for that. Let's check out this wub donk instrument. And then you also have these musical sounds that you can layer over it. And you got a banger. So check it out. The roller kit is coming soon. Stay posted for more updates. Peace.